Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to have a demonstration on the calculation of one of the problems in the membrane separation process. Membrane separation process is a separation that makes use of a semi-permeable barrier called membrane through which several components are separated according to how fast or slow these components move across the barrier. The membrane separation process problem that we're going to demonstrate is the membrane design for separation of air. To have this demonstration in a systematic order, first we're going to read the problem, next show the schematic diagram, the required and the assumptions. Next, we do the step-by-step solution. Lastly, we're going to show the result of the problem. To read the problem, it is desired to determine the membrane area needed to separate an air stream using a membrane of 1 mil thick with an oxygen permeability of 500 times 10 raised to the power of negative 10 cubic centimeter of standard temperature and pressure, centimeter per second, centimeter squared, centimeter of mercury. An alpha of 10 for oxygen permeability divided by nitrogen permeability will be used. The feed rate is 1 times 10 raised to the power of 6 cubic centimeter of standard temperature and pressure per second, and the fraction cut of 0.20. The pressures selected for use are 190 centimeter of mercury and 19 centimeter of mercury. Again, assuming the complete mixing model, calculate the permeate composition, the reject composition, and the area. Shown here is the schematic diagram of the membrane separation process. We have here the feed, the permeate, and the reject, and the given values in the problem. The required for this problem is first the permeate composition, Yp, the reject composition X sub 0, and the membrane area A sub m. Then the assumptions made are first, we assume that it is a complete mixing. Next, negligible effects of the total pressure and the composition of the gas. Next, isothermal system, constant permeability of oxygen and air. And lastly, the feed has a composition of 0.209, assuming that the air is composed of 79.1% nitrogen and 20.9% oxygen. First, we're going to solve for the permeate composition Yp. Establishing the equation for the permeate composition, Yp is equal to negative b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then these constants, we need to calculate this. So next, we're going to solve for these constants. A is equal to theta, the fraction cut, plus PL over pH, the pressures, minus PL over pH theta, minus alpha. Alpha is the fraction of the permeability of oxygen and the permeability of the nitrogen. Then multiplying it to the theta, minus alpha PL over pH plus alpha PL over pH times theta. Then these alpha, theta, PL over pH are given in the problem. So we're just going to substitute this in the equation for the A. So we're able to calculate a value of negative 2.52. Next, to solve for B, B is equal to 1 minus theta minus XF. XF is the mole fraction in the feed, minus PL over pH, the pressures, plus PL over pH times theta, the fraction cut, plus alpha times theta, plus alpha PL over pH minus alpha PL over pH theta plus alpha XF. So these values are also given in the problem, and then the mole fraction in the feed is assumed. So 0.209. Substituting these values in the equation for B, the B is equal to 5.401. Then for C is equal to negative alpha XF. So the C is negative 2.09. Next, since we are already calculated the A, B, and C, we were just going to substitute it in the equation for the permeate composition YP. So YP is equal to 0.5068. Next, we're going to calculate for the reject composition X sub 0. So the equation that we're going to use for the reject composition is established in the membrane separation process discussion. So from the complete mixing, so the reject composition equation is X sub 0 is equal to XF minus theta YP over 1 minus theta. Then these values are available or given. So we're just going to substitute it in the equation. We are able to get a reject composition of 0.1346. Then next, we're going to calculate for the membrane area, AM. The calculation first is we're going to re-express the thickness of membrane in centimeter since it's given in mil. So the thickness is 0.00254 centimeter. Then, for the calculation for the area is equal to theta QF YP over P prime over T PH X sub 0 minus PL YP. So this QF is the feed feed, and then the P prime is the permeability of oxygen, and then T is for thickness. Then other variables are already discussed. So we're just going to substitute these values since it's all given in the problem. We are able to calculate an area of a membrane to be 3.23 times 10 raised to the power of 8 centimeters squared. So in conclusion, we're able to get a permeate composition of 0.5068, a reject composition of 0.1346, and a membrane area of 3.23 times 10 raised to the power of 8 centimeters squared. For reference, this problem is from Genkoplis Transport Process and Unit Operation, example 13.4-2. So that's all for the demonstration of the calculation of the membrane design for separation of air. If you have any comments or questions, just comment down below. Thank you for watching.